What if I told you that the simple bay leaf in your soup holds a 2,000-year-old secret? This humble leaf was once worn as crowns by emperors and used as medicine by healers. Today, science calls it a natural antioxidant powerhouse. Yes, the same leaf that flavors your food can help with digestion and calm your nerves. It might even protect your skin from aging. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll see bay leaves in a whole new light. Bay leaf, or Laurus nobilis, comes from a small evergreen tree native to the sun-soaked Mediterranean. Its dark green, glossy leaves hold an aromatic world inside. It's a mix of essential oils like 1,8-senioli, linalool, and eugenol, the same compound that gives cloves their spicy warmth. But here's the catch. Not all bay leaves are the same. The true Mediterranean bay is Laurus nobilis. Other bay leaves, especially those from Asia, belong to completely different species with distinct aromas and chemistry. So if you want the real thing, always look for Laurus nobilis on the label. The history of bay leaves is rich with tales of victory, wisdom, and a touch of mystery. In ancient Greece, the Oracle of Delphi chewed bay leaves before giving prophecies. They believed the plant could open the mind to divine visions. Roman generals wore laurel crowns after their triumph in battle. That's where the term laureate comes from. Even the phrase bachelor's degree traces back to baccalaureus, the laurel berry. And here's a fascinating bit. Bay leaves were once burned in temples and homes to purify the air. Modern science backs this up, showing that the smoke releases compounds that fight bacteria and fungi. Ancient wisdom meets modern chemistry, and it's pretty fascinating. So what makes this leaf so special? Bay leaves are a cocktail with powerful phenolic compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and proanthocyanidins. These little guys work together to create an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Science is still uncovering their benefits, and it's fascinating. In fact, several studies show bay leaf extracts can neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. They even help inhibit microbial growth. Pretty impressive for a kitchen spice. That's a strong scientific foundation for why this simple kitchen spice has survived in traditional medicine for centuries. Let's explore the main benefits, both from traditional use and modern evidence. 1. Digestive support. Traditionally, bay leaf tea was used for bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. Modern pharmacology confirms that bay's essential oils have spasmolytic and carminative effects. They help the digestive tract relax and stimulate gastric secretions. In short, it's your stomach's aromatic friend after a heavy meal. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief bay leaf extracts and essential oils show anti-inflammatory and analgesic activity in studies. Compounds like 1,8-seniol, saponine, linalool, and eugenol help calm inflammatory mediators. It means they can ease minor joint or muscle discomfort when used as tea or diluted massage oil. Antioxidant shield for your body. Bay leaves are rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. A key factor in aging, chronic fatigue, and many diseases. Their phenolic compounds scavenge free radicals and help maintain the body's natural defense system. Think of bay leaf as a natural shield, working quietly behind the scenes. Antimicrobial and antifungal protection. Bay essential oil has been shown to inhibit bacteria and fungi. It even prevents that slimy biofilm that microbes use to protect themselves. This makes bay leaf tea or aroma a gentle immune booster, especially during flu season. Blood sugar and metabolic support. Early studies suggest bay leaf might improve insulin sensitivity too. It could help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. The same compounds that calm inflammation also assist in glucose metabolism. This makes bay leaf a promising ally for managing blood sugar naturally. Mental clarity and relaxation. The aroma of bay leaf contains linalool, which has been linked to reduce stress and anxiety. Try crushing a leaf between your fingers and inhaling deeply. It's like a mini aromatherapy session right in your spice drawer. Skin health and anti-aging potential. And now for something most people don't know, bay leaf may actually help your skin stay youthful. Here is why. Its antioxidants fight the free radicals that damage collagen and elastin. two key proteins keeping your skin firm. Compounds like eugenol and terpenes can slow down the enzymes that break down these skin fibers. In lab studies, bay extracts even stimulate fibroblast activity, promoting collagen production. They also help with wound healing, which is a bonus. In practice, you can find bay leaf extracts in natural skin and beard oils, creams, and cleansers. These products offer a gentle botanical boost for your skin's vitality. While these findings are still preclinical, the science is promising. Who knew this humble leaf could protect your inner and outer health? Quick note, always dilute bay leaf essential oil before using it. It can irritate your skin if used in high concentrations. So stick to teas, hydrosols, or well-formulated products. Now let's dive into the simplest way to enjoy bay leaf's benefits, a soothing bay leaf tea. You'll need 2 to 3 dried bay leaves, Laurus nobilis, and 250 milliliters of boiling water. Cover it and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's ready, strain it and add a slice of lemon or a spoon of honey if you like. Drink it once or twice a day, ideally after meals. It's great for digestion, relaxation, and gentle antioxidant support. And here's a trick. If you notice a warm, spicy aroma filling your kitchen, that's the cineol and linalool evaporating into the air. Inhaling it provides a mild, relaxing effect too. Here are some more fascinating facts about bay leaves. Did you know burning a dried bay leaf in your room can freshen the air? It also naturally repels insects. How cool is that? Athletes use its essential oil and massage oils to relieve tension and muscle pain. Talk about a natural remedy. And in perfumery, laurel oil adds a deep green and clean note. It's the secret behind some luxury men's fragrances. Even the Olympic Games symbol, the laurel wreath, represents strength, victory, and excellence. So next time you see that little leaf in your stew, remember, it's not just a flavor, it's a symbol of history, science, and healing. A natural protector for your body, mind, and skin. From ancient temples to modern labs, bay leaf continues to prove that the simplest things nature gives us often hold the deepest secrets. If you loved uncovering the secrets of this ancient leaf, don't forget to share this video. And hey, subscribe for more herbal wisdom and phytotherapy insights, because sometimes a single leaf holds the history of an entire civilization. Join me on this journey of discovery, one leaf at a time.